Tired of being locked down to Cricket Wireless? Let's break free and unlock your iPhone XR in just a few easy steps. First things first, head over to the Cricket Wireless website. You can do this on your computer, tablet, or even your iPhone using mobile data, since we are trying to unlock your device. Once you're there, you need to make sure your iPhone XR actually meets the eligibility requirements. Generally, your phone needs to have been active on a Cricket plan for at least 6 months. Also, it has to be fully paid off and not reported lost or stolen. Check your account summary or call Cricket customer service to confirm everything is in good standing. Now, if you're eligible, log into your Cricket Wireless account either through the website or, even easier, through the MyCricket app. Navigate to the My Account section. Look for an option that says something like Unlock Device. Click on that and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll likely need to confirm your request and maybe even receive a confirmation code via text message. Submit the unlock request. After the request is processed, Cricket will send you instructions, often via text or email. These usually involve removing your Cricket SIM card, power down your device, insert a SIM card from your new carrier, like Mobile, AT&T, or any other GSM provider. Power your iPhone XR back on. It might take a few minutes, but your iPhone should automatically detect the new SIM card and connect to your new carrier's network. Congratulations! You've successfully unlocked your iPhone XR from Cricket Wireless. Now you can enjoy the freedom to choose the carrier that best suits your needs and budget. Remember that unlocking your device could potentially affect your service, so read the fine print, enjoy the freedom, and if you need more help, check out the Cricket Wireless website.